guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna include the link, but I went to Ashley Stewart. I did a come with me video, so I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to release both of the videos at the same time so you guys can see what I bought, and I'll try on a few of the items. I think they worked well for me. So the first item, I'll try to include the little clip of the part in the video. This is a denim corset, black, and I got this in a size 20, but it's like a off the shoulders type of thing. When I tried it on, I just tried it on with my brassiere, just to see if it fit before I really style it. But it has two buttons here, and it has like the puffy kind of sleeves here, and it has the zipper down the front. As you can see, it has the zipper down the front, two pockets on the side, and it's kind of like it has a tight tapered ankle, but it fits nice. It is a little snug, but it's not too tight, and it's the real stretchy kind of material. I don't know if it includes spandex, but I kind of like it, the corset look in the front, and the zipper. So let's see what it's made out of. 75% cotton, 23% polyester, and 2% spandex. And it's made in China. So here's the tag to it, Ashley Stewart. I don't go there that often, but whenever I'm in the neighborhood, I will stop by and see it. So I think that is really cute. It feels really comfortable on. And in fact, it's kind of like one of those year-round type of outfits. I would wear that to maybe like work and wear a jacket over it and then go out to dinner later and take my jacket off. I think it's really adorable. And it was on sale, so I'm not sure if it was a summer item or what. So then here's the next item up. It's stripes. It's a hoodie, and it's kind of lightweight. It's kind of like a summer outfit. It's like a lightweight, something you can wear like on a cool night. It's got long sleeves with the two stripes on the side. And it doesn't have any pockets. And what I really like about this is that it has pockets. And it comes right below the knee. And it's kind of fitting. So it kind of gives you like a cellulite. Oh my God, what's the word? You know, it kind of gives you that curvy looking look. And it's this I also got in a size 18-20. This is 87% polyester, 9% rayon, and 4% spandex. So this is a size 18 through 20. And I think it looks so cute. I'll insert a picture of that as well so you guys can see how that looks. And then also, let me just tell you, I didn't tell you how much it cost. The first item, the denim outfit, the original price was $64.50. They had 30% off plus an additional 20%. It ended up being $18.06. Uh-oh, no, I got the wrong one. Okay. That denim corset was $22.27. Original price $79.50. And then that stripe, black and white stripe, was actually $13.85. I thought that was such a good deal on that. And then the last item that I got was this denim dress. And I love denim. Denim is one of my favorites. You can do denim with almost, anything. You can dress denim up. You can dress denim down. This I got in a size 20. 72% cotton, 26% polyester, and 2% spandex. And it's a dress. And I love the top pockets here because you can always throw your phone or something in here. And it's long sleeve. It has like the little button, and the buttons is a chore. You know, I usually just unbutton a few at the top, but it comes to your knee. It comes to your knee, and I will insert a clip of that too, but you see it has a little, it's a little longer in the back, it's a little shorter in the front, just a little bit. But I like this little slit on the side, and it doesn't have any pockets or anything with it. So I just tried it on. I didn't style it or anything. I just wanted to make sure it fit, so that if it didn't, I could take it back. But yeah, everything did fit snug, but I liked it, the look. I liked the way it fits. So with this and the dress, I probably would wear like a light cotton slip underneath, just so it doesn't cling too tight. That's how I usually do it when it's clingy. But yeah, this one is a nice, and it's kind of lightweight, but this is one of those year-round dresses. You can wear it with boots, you can wear it with sandals, you can wear it with ankle boots, or any type of shoe will change like the season of it and what you wear with it. So you can wear a baseball hat or a different type of brim or something like that. So I thought they were cute. Okay, these are my Sam Edelman snakeskin inspired boots with my Ashley Stewart jumpsuit one piece. The rest of these items I got the next day. They were cheaper online, so I ordered them and did the store pickup. So this is the rest of the lookbook. Thanks for watching. Guys so much for watching my video, and please subscribe and thumbs up the video, especially if you like shopping plus size hauls. And I also do a lot of different kinds of shopping. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and be well. Deuces.